The East African community is not a community of flags, is not a community of presidents. It's a community of the people of East Africa. Started by our founding fathers, Mzee Kenyatta, Mwalimu Nyerere, na Dr. Milton Obote wa Uganda. I want to urge my fellow Kenyans who have started a bad habit of roaming all over East Africa to go and foment trouble, to go and cause disaffection, to go and appear to know what others they think don't know. You are a lawyer in Kenya. We look at your records, you have never had any distinction as a lawyer in this country. Alafu unakimbia unaenda Tanzania, you want to go and show Tanzania that you are a lawyer. And here in Kenya, nobody even appreciates what you do as a lawyer. Kenya wants to be peaceful and have a good neighborhood and neighborliness with our neighbors and our partners in East African community. Watanzania hawajawahi kuchokoza Kenya. Waganda, ile wakati ilikuwa ya madness ya Idi Amin peke yake, na nyinyi watoto wote hamkuweko, pengine hapa ni Kapondi, Lusaka na wachache. Wakati Amin alisema ati mpaka ya Uganda na Kenya iko Naivasha, Wakenya wakasema jaribu uone. Hatujawahi kuwa na shida na watu wa Uganda. Mimi nikikrosi hapa naingia kwa my families. Wabutu baze ekombulola yabwe elimwangele home. Hatutaki kugombana na majirani. And I want to encourage our friends, our retired chief justices, and other distinguished Kenyans. Please don't be the ones to foment frosty relations between Kenya and its neighbors. We coexist, we trade, and we have more Kenyans living in those countries than there are people living in Kenya.